Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for August 23rd of 2025 is titled Fishing for the Moon. So what do we see here? Well, here we see the moon caught in a fishing net, and this image taken off the coast of Italy. And of course, the moon is not caught in the net. It is well behind that, out in the distance. But by good timing, you can actually get the image here with the moon looking like it's kind of sitting within the net. Now, our moon is one of the 7 large moons in the solar system. And in fact, there are 4 that are larger of those and 2 that are smaller. So it's kind of in the middle range of the large moons. The very largest moon is Jupiter's moon Ganymede, which is the largest of them. But our moon is a relatively good size and actually is a quarter the size of Earth. Now, in that sense, it's actually the largest moon relative to its planet that it orbits. So among the 8 planets and hundreds of moons, our moon is the largest relative to the planet that it's orbit. So even though there are moons around Saturn and Jupiter that are larger than our moon, the planets are so much larger that by comparison, those are still tiny. Now, as you look at the moon here, you'll notice distinctly red color. Now, the red color is for the same reason we see the sun rise and set with a very red color, and that is because it is so low in the sky. When it is just above the horizon, it's passing through a lot of atmosphere. So the light from the moon passes through a lot more atmosphere than it does when it's high in the sky. Because of that, our atmosphere scatters out the light. Now, the atmospheric molecules are very good at scattering the blue light and the green light, the shorter wavelengths. They're not so good at scattering the longer red wavelengths. And therefore, the lower the moon or sun get in the sky, the redder they're going to look, because all of those shorter wavelengths have been scattered out, leaving only the red light behind. But that's just an artifact of our own atmosphere. If we didn't have an atmosphere, the moon would look exactly the same when it's close to the horizon as it would when it's high in the sky. The coloring would not change. So the coloration changes we see on the moon are generally due to atmospheric effects here on Earth. We also note the pattern on the moon. We can see the lighter regions known as the highlands and the darker maria that give a very distinct pattern on the near side of the moon, and that is the side that always faces toward Earth. So we always see this one side of the moon. The only way we can see the other side is to actually travel out and around the moon, and that did not first happen until the late 1950s when the very earliest satellites flew around the moon, giving us a view of the other side of the moon, the side that never points toward Earth. So that was our picture of the day for August 23rd of 2025. It was titled Fishing for the Moon. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be 30 times a second. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.